person feels a lump that shouldn't stay, or bleeding comes in an unusual way. Fatigue grows strong, the weight begins to fall. Signs that cells aren't heeding nature's call. Cancer starts when cells divide too fast, ignoring signals meant to hold them back. They form a mass, invade what's near and wide. A doctor's word must be the proper guide. It may be genes or toxins in the air. Viruses like HPV may be there. Smoking, diet, radiation, sun, all can play a role in what's begun. Cancer starts when cells divide too fast, ignoring signals meant to hold them back. They form a mass, invade what's near and wide. A doctor's word must be the proper guide. Benign stays put, but malignant will roam, spreading through blood or lymph from its home. Early screening helps to catch the signs, so treatment starts before it climbs. Treatments vary: surgery, chemo, rays, targeted drugs, and